In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your invoicing process, these steps will guide you through quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, after you've signed into QuickBooks Online, you'll want to direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find all your essential options for managing transactions. One key area of focus here is to create new transactions, which is our primary goal today. In this sidebar, look out for the button that's labeled New. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu that offers several options. Among these options, you'll want to select Invoice. This selection is your starting point for detailing an invoice for your client. Once you've opened the invoice page, your next task is to add the customer's information. In the field designated as Customer, you'll either select from your existing list of customers, or, if you're working with a new customer, you'll need to enter their information manually. This inclusion ensures all details are linked correctly and expedites future transactions. Next, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty, detailing the products or services you are billing for. You'll scroll down to the section labeled Products or Service. This is where you'll input each item, ensuring you provide a clear description, the rate, and the quantity for each product or service. This level of detail maintains transparency and accuracy, which are crucial for both you and your client. Once you've completed entering your products or services, it's important not to overlook the sales tax. Navigate to the tax section of your invoice and specify the correct tax rate. QuickBooks Online is capable of handling a variety of tax rates, so you can select the appropriate one from the available options, or if necessary, you can enter a custom rate. This ensures compliance and accuracy in your billing. With all your information entered, the final step in the invoice creation process is clicking the Save and Send button. This action simultaneously saves your invoice in the system and emails the document directly to your customer. It's a crucial step, as it provides your client with the necessary information to process their payment efficiently. Through QuickBooks, creating invoices is designed to be straightforward, ensuring both your client and your accountant are satisfied with clear and professional documentation. And there you have it. That wraps up our guide on how to create invoices in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you are well equipped to handle your invoicing needs swiftly and smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for more resources or support from the QuickBooks community.